From Los Angeles, TraderInsight.com presents Dr. Adrian Manz in the war room and at the helm with today's look at stocks and sectors on the radar.
For TraderInsight.com, this is Adrian Manz, and this is Stocks and Sectors on the Radar for Tuesday, January 13th, 2009. Before we start, just let me tell you, there's a special today and Tuesday, so Monday and Tuesday in the TraderInsight.com bookstore. You can try my intraday trading plan. It's usually $195 a month. You can try that at a 90% discount for 1 month, $19.50. Just go to TraderInsight.com, go to the bookstore, click on Adrian Manz's intraday trading service, add it to the cart, and when you're going to check out, put the promo code or discount code of baseball2. So that's BASEBALL and the number 2, baseball 2, one word, and you'll get the intraday trading plan for 1 month for $19.50. All that being said, let's get right into it. On Monday, the Dow Jones Industrials down 125.21. We closed at 8473.97. We had 735 stocks advance, 2,362 decline, and NYSE total volume 1.3 billion shares. We have lousy internals, and the indices and stocks are showing it. So, where are we? We're down, headed down into the bottom of the range here. We've got a move down below the 20 and the 50 on all the major indices. If we're lucky, if these babies don't break down even further, this will be the floor, 8370 or so. If we break 8370, next stop's going to be around 8100, and then after that, look out below. Could be another retest of the big lows that we had back in late November. Don't think so right now. We got to see how that market data starts coming in, that economic data. We got a bunch of important stuff this week, consumer and producer. If those numbers, if all the wholesale inventories and everything come in looking really lousy, we're going lower. If they come in line with expectations or better than expected, we're going to shoot up again. So it's anybody's bet right now. Let's see what happens Tuesday through Friday when all those numbers are released. S&P 500, we were looking at this 888 support level, right around 890. That broke today, obviously, down below the 20 and the 50 on this one as well. We've got our next level right around 860 on the S&P 500. If that level breaks, then things could get ugly, and we could see a ride down into the 817 range and possibly lower on the 500 as well. NASDAQ 100, NASDAQ comp, same thing. Down below the 20, down below the 50. We've got nice support coming up here around 1171. On the NASDAQ 100 and on the NASDAQ Composite, same thing. We're coming into support relatively quickly here at 1505. Now, VIX is rising. So we've got a VIX that's on the move. We are up to 45.84. Kind of hard to believe the VIX is still in the 40s and now moving higher into the 40s. What am I going to be watching given the volatility? Well, I'm going to go where the action is. I'm going to go where the volatility is. I'm going to look at banking. I've got Bank of America Corporation. This thing, BAC, is the ticker symbol. All through December, managed to hold a nice tight consolidation range. Tried to pop higher once. Got right back down into the consolidation. Now, it looks like any move below $11.20 a share could spell trouble for Bank of America. I'll be watching the short side on BAC on Tuesday. We've got Brandywine Realty Trust. So I've got a couple REITs here that I'm going to be watching on Tuesday. This one, trade below $6.05 a share, is going to be my signal for a potential entry opportunity. If we get that trade, I'm going to be watching just for a nice shallow little move down into the $5.70 range on BDN. So this one will be a nice little scalping opportunity if I get it. Got to see broader weakness in the REITs. I'm also going to be watching Duke Realty Corporation. This is ticker symbol DRE. Trade below $8.85 a share is going to have me looking for a move lower down into the $8.25 a share range. So again, nice little scalp opportunity there. Hopefully, we'll see what happens if we get that deconstructive price action in the broader indices and in the REITs in particular. We should see some movement to the downside. Also going to be watching Weingarten Realty Investment Shares. We've got a move below 1605 on this one. Will have me looking for a move lower and a retest of the $15.50 price range. So that's it for Tuesday. Have a great trading day. Use protective stops on every single trade. And for TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz.